Don't face it, shoot it, freebase it, pour it in a glass, drink it, chase it, then chill, flex, feel the full effect. The impact is similar to a train wreck. It's whack to me when the beat is more hype than the MC, cause what he's saying is empty, dull, void, without substance or content. You need to slow your speed, stop the nonsense. These are the words of the rising sun, surprising some who thought I was just another humdrum. Average type non-MC who found the mic and thought he was hype. Nah, that's not me. I'll take a page, write a phrase and rephrase it, treat it like a national flag and upraise it, so a nation of people can feel proud about a brother who speaks out real loud. I'm here to rock the show, clock the dough, and let the words flow, flow, flow. Enough tough talk, as a hunter I must stalk. So each day I prey on ducks that like to play lame games to frame the self-same truth that got them off the stoop and help them to recoup. Stone cold backbiters, boac rhyme writers, give you a little party and now you don't know nobody. Diabolical fools pursuing happiness, lacking finesse, I'm left unimpressed. I heard you rhyme a few times, each time you blew it. You're soft, you can't go off, I knew it, let's be realistic. I'm not egotistic, but your crew just not that artistic. Point blank, the song stank. Yo, I know you want the truth, so let's be frank. I'm an upstart in this hard, not known for being subtle. Patiently I listen to all types of rebuttal. Don't say this, don't say that, change your lyrics. Everybody's a critic, it's getting kinda hectic. My rhyme is authentic, so it shall remain. My writing, exciting, never mundane. In actuality, my personality keeps my mentality based on real life situations, not speculations, but verbal illustrations of how I feel. You have the audacity to doubt my veracity, or to insinuate the G will prevaricate. Your disposition is beyond my recognition. I fail to see the reason for your constant disbelief, and why should I lie? What would I gain? Nothing. So when I speak, yo, I don't be bluffing, I be puffing on high power. I don't try to front or back away from a challenge. I'm game. You suckers rhyming sound like your lips are lame. You seem to need therapy for your speech impediment. Take this advice because it's for your own benefit. I'm energetic, magnetic, and athletic. One more thing and it's called poetic. My style's unorthodox, but of course it rocks. And when it comes to styles, I'm overstocked. You might never get to hear my last rhyme, cause I've been writing since you heard me last time. I could go on, the G is strong. I rock the show, I clock the dough, and let the words flow.